In recent years, the rise of artificial intelligence has transformed numerous facets of our daily lives, revolutionizing industries and personal interactions alike. However, as these intelligent machines become more intertwined with human society, they present us with a challenging dilemma. How do we navigate the ethical considerations of AI? At the heart of the discussion lies the concept of machine autonomy. AI systems, when properly designed, can operate independently, making decisions that significantly impact human lives. Consider autonomous vehicles, able to determine the quickest route, identify potential hazards, and even make life or death decisions in critical situations. Herein lies a moral quandary. Can we trust machines to make ethical decisions? And more importantly, whose morality should these machines embody? The growing autonomy of AI calls for a rigorous establishment of ethical frameworks. One pertinent question is whether these systems should be programmed with a universal ethical code, or whether they should adapt to diverse cultural contexts. After all, ethical norms differ widely across societies, impacting decisions in healthcare, law enforcement, and everyday technology. For instance, an AI designed in the West might have different ethical considerations compared to one developed in the East, reflecting the moral values ingrained in their respective cultures. A key component of this discourse is transparency, or rather, the lack thereof, in AI decision-making processes. As AI systems become more complex, understanding the rationale behind their decisions becomes increasingly difficult, if not impossible, even for their creators. This opacity can lead to significant ethical concerns, particularly when AI is used in sensitive areas like the judicial system or job recruitment. When a machine decides a person's fate based on opaque algorithms, it begs the question, how can we hold these systems accountable? Moreover, AI's potential to perpetuate and even amplify biases is a significant ethical challenge. Despite their apparent neutrality, AI systems learn from data that is often riddled with human biases. These biases can result in discriminatory outcomes if not meticulously addressed. For example, facial recognition software has been shown to misidentify individuals of minority groups more frequently, leading to real-world consequences in law enforcement and privacy. As we confront these ethical dilemmas, crafting policies and guidelines becomes crucial. Organizations worldwide are responding by developing ethical principles for AI, emphasizing accountability, fairness, and transparency as key pillars. However, implementing these principles effectively requires cooperation between governments, businesses, and the public. Striking a balance between innovation and ethical responsibility is no simple task, yet it is vital for the societal acceptance of AI technologies. So, where does this leave us? As we continue to integrate AI into various sectors, it becomes essential to foster ongoing dialogue among ethicists, technologists, and policymakers. We must not only focus on what AI can do, but more importantly, on what AI should do. By critically examining the ethical implications of intelligent machines, we can pave the way towards a future where AI acts not as an ominous force, but as a responsible and reliable partner in human progress. As we stand on the cusp of an AI-driven era, the ethical pathways we choose today will shape the societal landscapes of tomorrow. Let us ensure they are pathways that promote not just technological advancement, but also justice and equity for all.